Alright guys, in this video we're going to be talking about graphing linear equations. So it says the students will graph lines with a slope and a point, and the students will graph lines from various forms of a linear equation. So we're going to start with the slope and a point. So remember, when graphing, two steps. We want to plot the point, and then we want to move using the slope, which, remember from the last video, is rise over run. Alright, so 3, 1. So I want to plot that point first. Then my slope is 2, or 2 over 1. So that means I'm going up 2 and right 1. You always have to remember to put a whole number slope over 1. So 1, 2, 1. I can do it again. 1, 2, 1. Alright, and now at this point, I'm going to connect those with a line. Put arrowheads on the end, and you're finished. Alright, so pause the video and try this one on your own. Alright, so you guys should have paused it, tried this one, so let's go ahead and do it. So 5, 1 is my point, so 5, 1. My slope is 1 over 6. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't have a 6, but we will kind of place it about right there. Alright, in theory, you also could do the complete opposite of what we did here. So instead of up 1 and right 6, I could go down 1 and left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as well. And it should fall on the same line. So I should be able to connect those 3 with a line, which it looks like I can. So always remember, you can always do the opposite as well. So in other words, with a positive slope, you can go up and right, or you can go down and left. With a negative slope, you can go up and left, or you can go down and right. They will give you the exact same slope, the exact same line, as long as we're doing the same thing. So in this case, that's positive and positive. This is negative and negative. Think about it. Negative and negative, when dividing, makes a positive. Positive and negative makes a negative. Negative and positive makes a negative. Alright, so write each form of write each standard form equation in slope-intercept form, then solve. So for this, we move the x and divide by the number in front of y. Alright, so when I look here, I want to move that. So it's positive, so I'm going to subtract 2x. So that gives me 3y equals negative 2x plus 9. Divide everything by 3, and I wind up with y equals negative 2 over 3x plus 9 divided by 3 is 3. So that's my y-intercept. Should remember that from Algebra 1. So I want to plot the y-intercept, and then my rise is negative 2 and my run is 3. So down 1, 2, right 1, 2, 3. And what I mentioned on the last slide, we can go up 1, 2, and then left 1, 2, 3. Again, connect it with a line. and you're finished. Alright, so right here, again, subtract the 2x, so that gives me y equals negative 2x plus 2. There's nothing in front of y, so I'm finished. So y-intercept, plot the 2. Remember, put that over 1, so down 2, right 1. We could also go up 2, left 1. And we're good with that. Alright, so horizontal and vertical lines. So the slope of a vertical line is undefined. Slope of a horizontal line is 0. Alright, so it says determine if each equation represents a vertical or horizontal line, determine the slope, then graph. Alright, really what you want to think about is if there is no y, then it is vertical. No y is vertical. In this case, no x is horizontal. Okay, so since it's vertical, the slope is undefined for this one. In this case, the slope is 0. Alright, graphing, we want to graph a vertical line going through x equals negative 2. So here's x equals negative 2, and we want a vertical line going through that. We're just going to draw a vertical line. Alright, so this time we want a horizontal line going through y equals 3. So there's y equals positive 3, and we're going to draw ourselves a horizontal line going through that. Do that a little bit better. Alright, that's a little bit better. So horizontal line going through y equals 3. Alright, so this video is over. A little bit longer than some of the others, but go ahead and work your problem set. If you have any questions during the video or even after the video while you're working your problems, please let me know.